Hello, this tutorial is a heart chain. This is a different version of a heart chain. This one's just a ribbon chain, and I've already started it, but I'm going to add a few more hearts. I did a tutorial on this one, and this is poly satin ribbon. And you can see I have a little bit of trouble when I make them with these. It does bow the ribbon a little bit, but when it's hanging on a mum, you can't tell. And if you add embellishments to it, it will weigh it down so it won't be as curvy. Now on this one, I don't have that problem because these are thicker ribbons. This glitter ribbon was just a ribbon I found at Christmas time. Looks like this on the back, and it's pretty heavy duty, so it works great for homecoming mums. This is a Grosgrain, and on the inside is a soft satin. Same here, soft satin, Grosgrain, soft satin. And then I just added some little embellishments, but I'm going to put two hearts in the middle, so I'm going to show you how I did those. It's really the same thing as that other one if you watched it. I'm just going to take these, but you want to use hot glue, not staples, with these kinds of ribbons. So I'm just gluing them like this. You want these to match up so you get that shape. Okay, now I'm going to do these two. This one has a pattern on one side but not on the other, so I'll have to be careful about how I attach it. So again, I just want to overlap them like that. And if you're using these kind of ribbons, you usually do have to be careful. They will fray, so I just go like this to keep them from fraying. Now I'm going to attach these together, put a little hot glue, and I want to reverse the pattern where it's on the back side of this. So you've got that on one side and the pattern on the other. And I want the pattern up front, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to attach it, and I want this one to be in the middle, so it'll look like that. So what I do is I'm going to hot glue it like this, and then it'll hot glue like this. I'm going to go ahead and match these up and make sure they're all the same. They're not. So I need to just trim these off. Hot glue all of these together. So first I'm just going to hot glue these two. Then I'll hot glue the orange one to that one. I'm just making sure that they're all even. That's what I'm trying to do here. And that one, there we go. Got a little bit of hot glue on it. Okay, so you have this design like this. It kind of looks like an eyeball. So what I'm going to do is just put a hot glue right there. Figure out where I want this. So I want it in the middle. Let's press that down. Now I'm going to put the hot glue on this side. So you saw on that one I put the hot glue on the pattern, but on this side I'm putting it on the orange. So you get that 3D effect like that. We're going to do this one too. So I'm going to hot glue these two together, again like that. And this one. And I want the pattern on top again. So I just want to make sure that pattern is showing on one side. Now, I'll show you, you can make the inside part just a little bit smaller. So what you would do is attach that side first, and then bring down the orange and trim it off a little bit, make it a little bit shorter. And then when you brought down the pattern one like this, you could see it's a little bit longer, and that orange will be showing more. That's just a different look. I've done it both ways. This one I want them to be more matched up. So I'm just going to make sure that these line up right. Okay. Put a little hot glue there. A little hot glue there. I didn't get quite enough on that orange. Okay, and then on this back one, a little bit of hot glue. And then hot glue on the pattern. Make sure I've got it where I want it. If I peeled that off, I'd end up taking a bunch of that glitter with me. So and then hot glue on the solid side. Try to make the heart kind of match the other one. There you go. It's a ribbon heart chain. I'm going to add a little bit of embellishment because I've already added it to those. And since I did orange on those, I'll probably just do clear. I could use these little floral diamond mesh, or you just cut these off however you want them, so it would turn out like that. Those are very cute. Or I could just use these clear ones. See what that looks like. And I do want to go a little bit smaller than what I used on those bigger ones. And I've got different sizes. That one's a little bit smaller, so I could go with that one. I think I like that size better. It fits the shape of that better. So I just want to, you could either put a dab of hot glue there or a dab of hot glue here. Just be careful if you're holding it. Now if I was gluing these to this kind of ribbon, I would definitely want to hot glue the rhinestone. It gives it a couple of seconds to cool down before touching that, because hot glue does make that ribbon shrink and curl. If you can see that right there where it kind of made that curl because of adding hot glue to it. And that's what that looks like close up. It makes a very cute braid for any age girl. And you can see it's so easy to do. And on this one, I have done like the year right here. You could do different kinds of stickers on them. I think I even did volleyball on one. It would be a little bit more difficult on these Grosgrains and soft satins, but you could try it. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.